If you want to check object temperature on Google Pixel 10 Pro, you just have to find the thermometer app in the app drawer. It is an app that is pre-installed on your phone, and we need to use it in order to check the temperature. So over here we need to choose object temperature. Now over here you can choose one of these three categories. As you can see, we can choose, for example, food in order to measure the temperature of a food. You can also check a liquid, cooking surfaces, and we can also press this plus button in order to try to find more options. Over here at the bottom where we have default, you should be able to also choose a material. We can tap on this question mark in the bottom right corner in order to find out more instructions. So for example, verify where the sensor is located, which is pretty much over here below the flashlight, the camera flashlight. Then we also, we can start the new measurement over here. As you can see, we need to get close to the object, and then we can tap on the temperature in order to capture the temperature of the object. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.